Hello viewers, you're welcome. So let's see how we can simplify this on this board. Okay, so now this is a subtraction of algebraic fractions. Okay, so now we need to take the LCM of the two fractions. So we are having m plus n here, we have m minus 3n to be the denominator here. So what we need to do, if you want to get the LCM, just multiply the two together and you have your LCM. Okay, so therefore we're going to have this. Our LCM is by multiplying this by this, so it's going to be m plus n, okay, then m minus 3n. You don't need to open the brackets, okay, just leave it as this. Now what we need to do, very simple, just multiply this, okay, by this, that is this by this and this by this, like doing cross multiplication. So m minus n times this, we're going to be having 3 m minus 3n, right? Then we have negative, you put the negative here, 2 multiplied by m plus n. So now you don't need to do anything with the denominator. I've said this before. So that the only one you can simplify for that is what is the numerator. So therefore you multiply this 3 by what we have inside. So 3 is multiplying m, you have 3m, 3 is multiplying 3n, we have 9n. So now we use this minus 2 to open the brackets. So you have to be very careful with this negative, because I always say negative is a destroyer. Okay, so you have to be very careful with it. Now minus 2 times m, I have minus 2m, then minus 2 times n, that's going to be minus 2n, right? Then divided by m plus n, m minus 3n. So now here you can see, let's look at, we have 3m here, we have 2m here, so they are alike, we can bring them together, and this also alike. So we have 3m, okay, minus 2m minus 9n minus 2n. I've brought them very close to each other, so m plus n, m minus 3n, right? So now from here, 3m minus 2m, okay, that's going to give me m. I have m, then 2m minus 9n minus 2n, that's going to give me minus 11n, then divided by m plus n, then m minus 3n. And that is the solution to the problem, because we cannot divide this further, we can't simplify it further. So that's where we're going to stop, and that is the solution to the problem. Please share this class to your colleagues so they can benefit from it. Bye bye.